Future of industrial automation, how AI, robotics, and IoT are taking over factories. The world of work is changing faster than ever. In this 40-minute global deep dive, discover how AI, robotics, IoT, and smart systems are transforming industries across the USA, UK, Germany, and Australia. From Tesla's GigaFactories and Siemens' digital twins to mining robots in Australia and predictive AI in the UK. Automation is no longer the future, it's happening right now. In this video, we explore how Industry 4.0 and 5.0 are evolving across the globe. Real-life use cases of robotics and AI from major countries. What's replacing traditional factory jobs and what new roles are emerging? The cybersecurity threats that come with connected automation, the environmental impact, and sustainability opportunities. The next phase, fully autonomous factories and human-AI collaboration. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, engineer, investor, or student, this video offers a complete, engaging, and knowledge-packed journey through the future of industrial automation. Like this, if you believe automation is the future. Drop your thoughts. Excited or concerned? Subscribe to FutureWay for weekly long-form videos on tech, AI, and global innovation.
257 257 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 257 257 2.
Future of industrial automation. How AI, robotics, and IoT are reshaping the global workforce. Welcome to FutureWay, where innovation meets reality. Today, we're going deep into the future of industrial automation, not just as a concept, but as a rapidly evolving global transformation that's already impacting economies from Detroit to Dusseldorf, from Manchester to Melbourne. This is not just about machines replacing humans on the factory floor. It's about how artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, IoT, and smart systems are reshaping the very architecture of how we manufacture, manage, and move products worldwide. In this comprehensive exploration, you'll discover why automation is not simply a cost-cutting trend. It's the future of competitive advantage, sustainability, and global workforce evolution. So buckle up. Over the next 40 minutes, we'll unpack the layers of smart factories, autonomous operations, human-machine collaboration, and the irreversible shift toward Industry 5.0. Let's begin with a foundation. The journey from mechanical automation to smart digital factories began with Industry 1.0, the steam-powered revolution, and evolved through electricity, assembly lines, and computers to the current Industry 4.0 era, where data, sensors, cloud systems, and AI drive every industrial process. But here's the twist. We're already moving into Industry 5.0, a phase where human intelligence and creativity are intentionally integrated into systems alongside intelligent machines. Countries like Germany, with their highly efficient Industry 4.0 strategy, are now adopting human-centric AI systems to design flexible, adaptive factories. In the UK, sectors like aerospace and pharmaceuticals are pioneering modular automation systems that reduce waste and increase speed. Meanwhile, in the USA, Tesla's GigaFactories and Amazon's fulfillment centers are becoming iconic examples of how robotics, AI-driven logistics, and digital twins create optimized workflows with minimal human intervention. Australia is using mining robots, autonomous haulage systems, and underground AI scanners to redefine what's possible in the resource industry. But what does automation actually look like today? In advanced factories, it means robotic arms that self-adjust based on data feedback. It means collaborative robots, cobots, working safely alongside humans, taking over repetitive, dangerous, or high-precision tasks. It means predictive maintenance, where sensors detect a mechanical issue before it causes downtime. And it means real-time dashboards that allow plant managers across continents to control, monitor, and reprogram machinery from tablets or smart glasses. AI algorithms optimize energy usage, supply chain logistics, and even hiring decisions. The result? Shorter lead times, less waste, and agile production that responds instantly to market demand. The key technologies driving this revolution are AI and machine learning, robotics, IoT, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and increasingly, edge computing. AI enables adaptive decision-making. For example, in quality control, AI vision systems detect defects faster and more accurately than human inspectors. IoT connects every component, machines, conveyor belts, inventory systems, into a single network, enabling seamless communication and data analytics. Robotics and mechatronics allow for dynamic manufacturing lines that can change outputs without shutting down. In Germany, Siemens is leading the way with digital twin technology that simulates entire production environments before a single machine goes live. In the UK, Rolls-Royce uses AI to track engine performance globally in real time. In the USA, Intel is integrating neuromorphic computing into smart factory controllers. In Australia, CSIRO labs are developing robotic arms with tactile feedback that allow for ultra-precise assembly in biotech and clean energy sectors. But let's address the elephant in the room: job displacement. The fear that robots will take human jobs isn't new. And yes, some roles are vanishing, especially low-skill, repetitive jobs. But here's the nuanced truth. Automation is transforming jobs more than it's eliminating them. It's creating demand for new roles: automation engineers, systems integrators, data scientists, AI supervisors, robotics maintenance experts, and digital manufacturing strategists. The World Economic Forum estimates that while 85 million jobs may be displaced globally by automation, over 97 million new ones could be created if the workforce is reskilled in time. Countries like Germany and Australia are investing heavily in vocational retraining and AI literacy. The UK government has launched skills boot camps in robotics and digital infrastructure. In the USA, community colleges and tech giants are collaborating to provide rapid upskilling programs for displaced workers. And then there's cybersecurity, a rising concern. As factories become more connected, they also become more vulnerable to cyber attacks. Imagine if a ransomware group were to seize control of an entire vehicle production line, or if supply chain data was manipulated to delay critical medical equipment. That's why industrial cybersecurity, known as operational technology, OT security, is now a priority. From UK nuclear facilities to German chemical plants, securing industrial control systems is no longer optional. Encryption, firewalls, zero-trust architectures, and real-time threat detection powered by AI are now being embedded into every automation deployment. Now, let's talk sustainability and environmental impact. Automation is helping companies lower emissions and energy consumption through smart optimization. AI reduces overproduction. Automated systems minimize waste. In the UK, vertical farms powered by AI-controlled environments are growing food with 95% less water. In Germany, smart factories are reaching near-zero emissions by integrating renewable energy and automated energy balancing. Even in heavy industries like mining or oil, automation allows for cleaner extraction and restoration. Looking ahead, the next evolution will involve fully autonomous factories, capable of reconfiguring themselves based on global data trends, customer behavior, and supply chain conditions. Imagine a sneaker company in the USA that changes its entire line's color palette because social data from the UK shows a shift in consumer taste, and the factory retools itself within hours. Or imagine warehouses with zero humans, just swarms of robots, conveyor AI, and cloud-based inventory. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a student, a professional, or an investor? It means opportunity. It means learning the language of automation, Python for programming robots, understanding how sensors work, learning AI basics, and mastering data. The future belongs to those who work with machines, not against them. As Elon Musk said, humans will eventually become the bootloaders of AI. That sounds intimidating, but it also means we are the architects of the next industrial age. Automation isn't just a tool, it's a mindset shift, a new way to think about productivity, efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. And while it challenges old models, it offers something more powerful, a chance to create industries that are smarter, faster, greener, and more human-centered than ever before. Conclusion, call to action. If this deep dive into the future of industrial automation opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that like button. Comment below. Are you excited about this revolution or concerned? Let's talk. And subscribe to FutureWay, where every week we explore how technology is reshaping our world, from factories to outer space. The future is being automated. Don't get left behind.